Hello and welcome back to another episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we will learn how to properly pronounce and understand the meaning of two fancy words. Our first word is gauche. Gauche. This French word refers to someone who is awkward or clumsy in social situations. It is used to describe someone who lacks tact and grace. Here is a sentence example. She felt gauche at the fancy dinner party, not knowing which utensils to use. Next, we have magnanimous. Magnanimous. This word refers to someone who is generous and kind-hearted. It can also be used to describe a person who is forgiving, compassionate, and has a noble spirit. Here is a sentence example. She forgave her friend's mistake and showed a magnanimous spirit by offering to help her fix it. Well, that's all for this video, folks. Go ahead and use these words in your daily life to show off your newfound linguistic skills and impress those around you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.